Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Mali. Today I'm going to present about my business plan, Aroma DZ, and hopefully everyone have a good day. So, my business is a partnership business. My business is Aroma DZ. Aroma DZ is actually has an aroma that makes people more amazed with a flavor that have a variety of flavors such as chocolate, strawberry, and Oreo. The packaging is also differentiated it from other bakery stores. And then my location business is 13 Jalan Medan, Pusat Bandar 4A and 43650 Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. And my operational date is 1 January 2021. And main activity is actually a selling dessert. And the motto is come taste the differences. So, Aroma Dessert and vision and mission. So, the vision is to ensure that our urban taste transform into a Malaysian and international dessert lovers to penetrate our product into a foreign market. And then the mission is actually Aroma Dessert is to innovate and create the finance indulgent foods served to globally, and we nurture the ideas that of our offerings universally enjoyed by a family and friends, making us part of the life celebration and memories. Next, we have a product description in this segment. I will briefly explain to you about my product. Let's start with the Oreo cheesecake. And then, Oreo cheesecake is oftenly ordered by the people who wanted to celebrate the birthday. It is not too sweet and it is not too chocolatey. It is done very well. It is only RM69 a whole cake. And next down here, we have a chocolate lover because we have a chocolate cheese tastes more chocolatey compared to the Oreo cheesecake, as it consists of hazelnut chocolate, and it is only 69 ringgit, and it tastes very delicious. Next, we have a strawberry cheesecake that consists of the strawberry fruit and cheese, and the good things is it is same price as a soup, RM69 ringgit. And next we have a ice blended chocolate, and it consists of the mocha chocolate with a topping creamy, and the price is actually affordable for the people with RM8 ringgit and 50 cent. And these brownies have a very tasty texture and use hazelnut chocolate. The price is RM3 ringgit is 50 cents. And the cheese tart with cheese also affordable price with the RM1 ringgit 80 cents. So, Aroma Dessert team management. So, general manager my name is Muhammad Ashraf, and 25 years old, graduate in a diploma business study, experience as a Speedmart warehouse supervisor. Number 2 is marketing manager Nur Atira Idina, 23 years old, graduate in degree finance, experience as a MyQuery marketing manager assistant. And number 3 is operation management manager is Nasrul Iman, 23 years old, graduate in diploma information management, experience as a H&M sales promoter. So, number 4 is a finance manager Muhammad Khairul Kamel, 24 years old, graduate in degree finance, experience as a Family Mart finance manager assistant. And number 5, administration manager Nur Fazila Natasha, 22 years old, graduate in diploma office management, experience as a Vision Media admin club. Okay, geographic segment. We know that our business is located in Bangi, Selangor. Our plantation buyer is actually 10% from another competitor. Demographic segment is our product is actually suitable for everyone, such as kids, student, women, and parents. This is because our product are affordable with the price that we offer. And then physiological segment is first is a people who like a sweet. For example, like a couple who like a sweet things. And number 2 is a cake lovers. For example, children who like to eat cake, and delicious is actually can attract the attention for children. The third is a YouTuber. YouTuber is actually people who like to make a content about the cake. This can also attract the attention with those who like to make a food reviews. So, for the market is problem customer and how we solve the customer problem. So we know that we have a customer who are vigilant vigilant with a diet that has a lot of the sugar like sweet and sweet cakes. Number 2 is a customer need to tell in advance to take this order. Number 3 is customer who are picky about the ingredient in the cakes, and the customer that are worried about the harmful ingredients such as alcohol. And how we solve the problem is actually, to solve the problem is we tell the customer each cake has how much sugar content, and we want to make a proper preparation and provide the customer feedback. And we are not concerned with a profit and more focused on the food quality, as we always aware of premium raw material. And we are also solve the problem illegal content is to have a halal certificate from a Jakin that can reduce the customer dog, such as a Muslim customer. So in this segment, how my product is different from than anything else in the market. First is using high quality ingredients. Number 2 is reasonable price and high quality. Different packaging, using a fresh fruit from the farm, has a nutrients such as vitamin A and C because it has a fruit. So for the market size, I total calculate for the market size is actually 21,848,033.8 cents for a year. So as you can see, for the market share, I calculated that Aroma Dessert will share only 10% in the market for the first year. As I calculated for the first year sales, I will receive around 355,276 ringgit. On the year 2, I predict that my sales will increase up to 5%. However, the total sales for the year around 373,040 ringgit. And on the year 3, since Aroma Dessert will become more stable with the 399,153 ringgit. Based on the income statement, cost for the first year, our gross revenue will be 314,596 ringgit. After deduct all the business expenditure, cost Aroma Dessert will receive profit in amount 138,347 for the first year. For the second year, the gross revenue will be increasing up to the 10,444 ringgit, and the profit for the second year will be increased up to 20,830 ringgit, and since the sales is increased up to 5% in the year 1. Lastly, for the third year, since the sales is increasing up to the so I use a social media to promote my product, and this is my product strategy. I choose this method because people nowadays always spend of their time living in the online world, and it's much easier to reach my customer by online platform. And I use the unique packaging to attract the customer, and the signboard is actually used to draw attention for promotion and to convey the information about my businesses. And e-commerce, the customer can shop through our e-commerce www.aromadessert.com. And then my flyers is used to draw attention for the promotion, and the business card is used to grow my business connection between Aroma Dessert and the client for any collaboration or any other business matters. And the membership is the benefit for the customer to receive any discount or gift. As you can see, for the financial plan, for the first is administrative budget. So I calculated the total is 16,114 ringgit, and the marketing budget will be the total is 5,210 ringgit. So the total of the operation budget is actually 45,036 ringgit. The cost of goods sold, for the first year, I will receive the gross profit is 314,596 ringgit, and the year 2 is I will receive 325,040 ringgit, and the year 3 is 345,653 ringgit, and the cost per unit, the total is 2,000. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. Bye.